Alright, example 18, solve linear system in word problem format. The first thing we want to do is read the word problem. So I have Jennifer and Brenda are selling fruit for a school fundraiser. Customers can buy small boxes of grapefruit and large boxes of grapefruit. Jennifer sold 13 small boxes of grapefruit and 7 large boxes of grapefruit for a total of $225.20. Brenda sold 6 small boxes of grapefruit and 4 large boxes of grapefruit for a total of $116.40. Find the cost of each of 1 small box of grapefruit and 1 large box of grapefruit. So the first thing we want to do is, after reading, is highlight key information. So I know that Jennifer sold 13 small boxes of grapefruit and 7 large boxes of grapefruit, and the total is $225.20. Brenda sold 6 small boxes of grapefruit and 4 large boxes of grapefruit, and the total is $116.40. Okay, we need the cost of 1 small box of grapefruit and the cost of 1 large box of grapefruit. So let's figure out our variables first. So we're going to call S the cost of 1 small box of grapefruit, and we're going to call L the cost of large box of grapefruit. Okay, so now to set up the equations, we know Jennifer is going to have an equation, and we know that Brenda is going to have an equation. Jennifer equation looks like 13 small boxes, so 13S plus 7 large boxes, so 7L equals 225.20. Brenda's equation looks like 6S, 6 small boxes, plus 4 large boxes, so plus 4L equals 116.40. Okay, so now we have to solve. So we have to use one of the methods, and the easiest method is linear combination or elimination. And I'm going to eliminate the s's. So I have to multiply the top equation by 6, and I'm multiplying the bottom equation by negative 13. Remember, I have to have opposite signs. So at the top, I have 6 times 13, which is 78s. And then I have 6 times 7, which is positive 42L, equals 6 times 225.20, which is 1,351.20. The bottom, I'm multiplying negative 13 times 6, which is negative 78s, and then negative 13 times 4, which is negative 52L, equals negative 13 times 116.40, which is negative 1,513.20. Okay, and then I can add my equations together. I have 78s minus 78s cancels out. They're inverses. I have 42L minus 52L, which is negative 10L. And then I have 1351.20 minus 1513.20, which comes out to negative 162. I have to get L by itself, so I divide both sides by negative 10. So the cost of the large box of grapefruit is $16.20. Okay, I have to figure out the cost of the small box, so I'm plugging in the $16.20 into one of the 2 other equations. I'm going to do it to the bottom. So I have 6s plus 4 times 16.20 equals 116.40. 4 times 16.20, which is 64.8. And then I have to bring down the 6s. and the equal sign in the 116.40. To get s by itself, subtract 64.80. So I have 6s on the left side. And on the right side, I have 116.40 minus 64.80, which is 51.60. I have to get s by itself, so I divide both sides by 6. So s equals $8.60 for a small box of grapefruit. So those are